We're in Barefoot Landing, which is right between Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. We're going to take you around, show you all the shops and restaurants, and also pop in a couple of stores to enjoy. First, let's start with this brand new Landshark Bar and Grill. This just opened recently, brand new, and they have got one of the cutest little, I guess it's like a playground. It's so cute. Yeah, there's somebody there using it. It looks like a little pirate ship. I love it. And then they've got this gorgeous outdoor seating area with the beautiful fake grass. It is pretty there. Looks really, really nice. And they are open. So this is exciting. And they've got a ton of, it looks like indoor-outdoor seating with those big garage doors that they can open up. And I can actually see a bar right out there as well. Looks really neat. Here's what the inside looks like. They've got a little gift shop up here at the front. And then right down here, there's that bar with those big garage doors that open to the outside. Pretty cool. What's really nice is that this outdoor seating area, you've got these beautiful views across the water. It's pretty cool. All right, as we make our way around, you see Lulu's across the water. We'll get over there eventually. We're coming up to one of our favorite stores, which is the Christmas Mouse. Are you a big Christmas fan? Leave us a comment below. Also, if you enjoy these Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to click subscribe and the bell so you won't miss anything new. We're going to pop into the Christmas Mouse and see what they have. We haven't been in there in a while, and there's actually another location in Myrtle Beach as well. Technically, I think Barefoot Landing is in North Myrtle Beach, but it is very close to Myrtle. It's sort of right on the border. But here's Christmas Mouse. And if you haven't been in Christmas Mouse, they have just oodles and oodles of ornaments of all kind. I like these beach themed ones. We might have to get one here sometime to add to our beach tree. I like the fun little crabs with their pail. More beachy ones. Little snowmen. Nice signs, paintings. And then as you can see, they also have a mix of Christmas beach decorations, but also just straight up beach decorations as well. Ooh, that tree is cool. I really like that a lot. It's like one of those retro trees.
$40.
That's actually not bad. If you couldn't hear Brian, it's $40. That's not bad. They have an entire corner over here dedicated to sports related ornaments. So if you are a big sports fan, they've got you covered. And they do have a second floor, and halfway up to the second floor, they've got letters for Santa. So if you've got a little one, oh, Santa's in? Where's he in at? And they have a whole bunch of stuff up here on the second floor. Let's check that out. Ooh, lots of nutcrackers. Neat. Oh, this is a nice view here. So pretty. I mean, that's what I think I enjoy so much about walking around both Broadway at the beach and also Barefoot Landing is this central lake area. It's just so relaxing and soothing to walk around. Now we're up to Umberto's. This has been here as long as I remember coming to Barefoot Landing. It's definitely an institution in Barefoot Landing. It's a Pittsburgh Italian trattoria. I've had a lot of people ask me sort of, you know, should I go to Broadway at the beach? Should I go to Barefoot Landing? There's a couple of things you can consider. Number one is, where are you staying? I would go to whichever one's closer, honestly, because they have a lot of similarities, but they do have some differences. One of the big differences is Broadway has more in the way of like thrill rides. We're about to pass pretty much the only rides, which there's like one or two here for children. You don't really have a lot of thrill rides, that kind of stuff here. Also, even though they do have live entertainment here, I don't feel like they have as much as Broadway, and I don't feel like they have as many shows. They do have the Alabama Theater and the House of Blues, and there's probably more that I'm not thinking of at the moment. So it just depends on what you're looking for. I would say the vibe here is a little more relaxed at Barefoot Landing. Probably could be considered slightly more family friendly, but I mean, that's splitting hairs. And there are a couple of playgrounds here. You already saw one, and I'll show you another one in a minute. But beyond that, they have a lot of the same stores. Like you're gonna see River Street Sweets at both places. There's a whole bunch of stores that you're gonna see, the same exact stores at both places. So if you're just looking for a place to shop as opposed to a place to eat, then I would just say go with the one closest to you because you're gonna have a lot of the same stores. The eating is quite different. There's quite different restaurants. I don't think they have any restaurants in common, do they? Broadway at the Beach and Barefoot Landing? I can't think of any right now. They used to have a Joe's Crab Shack here, but that's where the new restaurant that I just showed, drawing a blank, Landshark Bar and Grill, that took over that space. So this is also fairly new. This opened, I can't remember if it was earlier this year or last year, but I think it opened last year. But it's pretty new. They do have their own beer. There's the brewery right over there. And they have this huge outdoor seating area and beer garden. The coolest part though is right over here, this sort of gazebo out in the middle of the water. They actually have swings. It's a bar, and they actually have swings next to the bar, which is pretty cool. This Tortuga Island. So actually you can almost see the swings from here. They're swinging in the breeze. It's quite windy today. I'll zoom in a little bit. Pretty neat. It's a good location, and you know, again, you get this nice view of the water. And here's more outdoor seating over here on this side for the Crooked Hammock. And I love this right here, the seat, so cute. And also this little retro travel trailer, again, love it. And then here's the other playground that I mentioned. So this is by this giant tree, and there's all kinds of stuff for kids to play on. And you got partial shade from the tree, and then they have some umbrellas up here for people to sit at while they watch their kids. So that's a really nice playground here. Oh, they have this cute little photo op set up here right in front of Lulu's, and it's right next to that playground that I just showed. It's pretty neat. It's right around 11:20, so the Crooked Hammock wasn't quite open, so I guess they opened at 11:30, but Lulu's is open, and we've actually seen a stream of people going in already. And as you can see, they also have this garage door set up where they can open it all up to open air. And right on the other side of this is the intracoastal waterway. We'll go over there and take a look at that. And as you can see, they have a really big bar in the middle. Let's take a closer look. There we go. A little pan of everything, the seating and the bar. Pretty neat. Also, Lulu's does have a beach arcade, and they also have this outdoor rope course. And out here in the middle, they've got all the sand with cornhole, volleyball nets. It's pretty neat. And their arcade we've been to before. They have games sort of like Dave & Buster's. It's just a little bit smaller, but they do have prizes. It's the same kind of idea. And we're going to go down here to the intracoastal waterway and show you that. Now we're down right at the intracoastal waterway, and look at some of these big boats. Big boats. Wow. And by the way, if you do have a boat and you want to stop here, they do have, right here is free parking for your boat for Barefoot Landing. And so you see Lulu's, you can see they've got seating right over here that's outdoors. Here's the arcade, but then also we've got Taco Mundo over here. And I know some of you, I think Rick mentioned that this is really good that you've eaten here. So thanks for the recommendation. It's definitely on our short list. Like I said, we don't eat out a whole lot, but when we do, this is something we want to try. And we also want to try the new Landshark. I know there's a Landshark by the Skywheel, but I'd like to try this one because it's over the water. It looks really nice. But so they got nice outdoor seating here. So if you're looking for outdoor seating, Barefoot Landing definitely has a lot of options. And almost all of them, I think all of them have some kind of water view, either the intracoastal waterway or the lake that, you know, Barefoot Landing surrounds. Over here by the intracoastal waterway, there's a boat going by. We have another photo op. It's really cute. Somebody put some time into these. Here's the front of Taco Mundo, and it is a big restaurant. They have a lot of indoor seating too, so if you don't want to sit outside, you've got that option too. Sadly, just like at Broadway at the Beach, the Johnny Rockets closed down, and I haven't heard any word of what's going to replace this. This is another nice thing about Barefoot Landing is these long bridges. I mean, they have some across the water at Broadway, but they're not as long out over the lake. And there's two of them. So if you want to cut across in the middle, you can use that one over there. Or if you want to do a full circle, you come over here. Also, in this direction, you have Dick's Last Resort Restaurant. And also that's the direction of the Alabama Theater, the House of Blues, and also Alligator Adventure, which that's a really fun place to go. It's like a little zoo kind of. I talked about some of the differences between Broadway at the Beach and Barefoot Landing, but I'd like to hear, what is your favorite? Do you prefer Broadway at the Beach or Barefoot Landing? I have a feeling if you're watching a Barefoot Landing video, you probably prefer Barefoot Landing, but I'd still love to hear from you in the comments. And also let us know why you prefer which one you pick. We're over to Ron John's Surf Shop. I love this sign over here in this little photo op. That's really cute. And so I'm gonna go in and give you a look around there, and there's also one of these at Broadway at the beach. So as you might expect, it's basically a gift shop. It's a surf-themed gift shop, but it's still a gift shop. They have body boards, which we actually have a body board from Ron John's, and it's a good body board. So I will say their products seem to be good, but it's a really nice gift shop. Turn away from the windows so we can see better. There we go. Got all kinds of sandals and surf shoes. Cups. Lots of branded merchandise. Branded t-shirts. But this is definitely a very popular shop. I know a lot of you have said you enjoy shopping here. Maybe it's somewhere you can't go all the time when you're not visiting. Got children's wear, adults' clothes, and it looks like they've even got some skateboards and surfboards. Here's the surfboards. All kinds of outdoor games and activities. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.